Hi everybody, so I've come on and done the same makeup look, rainbow makeup look that I did in my very first video when I done a rainbow look. The very first rainbow look I did was something a bit like this. I'd seen this somewhere on YouTube and I absolutely loved it. So I wanted to try and recreate it, and I'm hoping that I was able to, without any problems. The only problem I did do is, well, that I did have, is I was recording this as a tutorial, and I was rushing, trying to get it to be not so long of a video. And then, I don't know what happened, my recording ended up freezing on me somehow, and it wouldn't let me record the rest. So unfortunately, again, this is having to be a short video. I will try this one day again, soon, as a tutorial, but I'm absolutely gutted that I took all that trying to do this look, and it didn't halfway work out what I was trying to do. Yeah, I'm really upset. It's just really stressful trying to do YouTube. But I'll get there one day. I'm loving it though. I absolutely love coming on and doing videos for you, but YouTube is sometimes can be challenging. Trying to upload and things, it's difficult. And today just wasn't my day. Try to do this. Try to do it not so long as well. For a tutorial, as I said. And didn't really work out. So again, it's having to be a short video. But I hope you like it anyways, and see you tomorrow. I know that I've got a makeup video to do tomorrow, and then I'll do this eye look at some point. Try and do it for a proper video. But yeah, and also there's my other two, I think it was 2 videos that I've done today that's on my channel that went really well. So yeah, and also my ASMR video that I've just put up, my chocolate one. I did a taste testing video for chocolate, but I tried to make it like an ASMR video for you. So I hope you like all them videos that I've uploaded today and gone well. Sorry that this turned out a short one. I'm just having problems with my recordings at times. But yeah, thank you. See you tomorrow.